AI around us. When you pick up your smartphone to click a picture, it turns to portrait mode. Here you use AI whether you know it or not. From the notifications that you received on your social networking account to the advertisements of the upcoming new web series, everything is AI curated. The following are some of the examples of AI around us. Smartphones. The built-in smart assistants like Siri are some obvious examples of AI. Google's AI-powered predictions have a visible impact on every person's life. The portrait mode of the camera in our smartphone is also an AI feature. It makes the background blur while focusing on the foreground object. Email spam filters. Email categorization and spam filters are some powering features of AI that affect our inbox. Simple rule-based filters are used to mark spam or put emails into various categories as primary, social, promotion, or important. Virtual assistants. Smart virtual assistants that we use to control our smart house are prime examples of AI impacting our daily lives. They use AI to study our behavior and patterns so that they can adjust themselves automatically. They are capable to do several things like send quick messages, set reminders, check the weather, and get the latest news. Social media. When you are posting a picture on your social media account, the social media account automatically identifies the people and gives suggestions to tag them. From the feeds to see on the timeline to the notifications that you receive from these apps are all AI-based. Music and media streaming services. Music apps like Spotify or media streaming apps like Netflix, Hotstar, or YouTube are primarily AI-based apps which make decisions for us. The type of content that you watch becomes the base of the next recommendations for you. Video games. AI is used to control the creation of characters, animals, or machines in games. The machine makes moves and action based on the input given by the player. Navigation. AI takes charge of your navigation through Google Maps, Uber, or even when booking flights or hotels. The apps used to make reservations use AI to give you suggestions for alternate routes to be taken to avoid traffic. When you book your cab, it uses AI to give suggestions for both pricing and the type of car. Security and surveillance. AI-enabled security cameras cover the footstep and do the analysis of the moves taken by the intruders. They are smart enough to do real-time monitoring. Social media filters. AI-based Snapchat filters capture the pixels of the image scanned through a webcam and can build a face with different effects as desired by a person.